big news for small cars. Get ready for the Smart #2, an all-electric, ultra-compact city car that's set to redefine urban mobility. Smart has just announced a press release with fresh new images from the new Smart #2. From the creative minds at Mercedes-Benz Design, the Smart #2 is a stylish two-seater built on a brand new proprietary all-electric architecture crafted by Smart's in-house R&D team. This isn't just a car. It's a bold statement that Smart is back in the A segment, where it all began. 27 years ago, the original Smart Fortwo became a global icon, loved by over 2 million drivers for its clever design and urban flair. Now the Smart #2 is here to carry that legacy forward, blending cutting-edge technology with the iconic charm of the original city car. With mindful tech solutions and a sleek, modern look, the Smart #2 is designed to navigate tight city streets while turning heads. It's compact, it's electric, and it's ready to roll alongside the Smart #1, #3, and #5 in a lineup that proves Smart comes in all shapes and sizes. Here's what Tong Xiangbei, global CEO of Smart, had to say. Developing an ultra-compact vehicle on an all-new electric architecture is no small feat, but we're ready. With the support of our shareholders, we've reinvented our brand and product lineup, and now it's time to reimagine our iconic city car. And Mandy Zhang, global CMO of Smart, adds, the original Smart Fortwo wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of urban culture. With the Smart #2, we're bringing that spirit back, electrified and packed with the latest tech and design. Set to hit the streets in Europe and China and select global markets, the Smart #2 is currently in its final design phase and will be produced in China. Mark your calendars. This game changer is slated to premiere in late 2026. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.